Hey guys, we're live at 9:49, and we're running Spencer's Power of the Force battle there. Looks like there's 4 of them. I'm going to copy our list of 52 spots and take it over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 52. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 9er. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Tyler, round 1. Robbie, round 2. Alex, round 3. Andrew, round 4. Robbie. Alex, round 7. Andrew, round 8. And our winner is Adam Marks. And at number 8, congratulations, Adam. Here's the verification. And official results, TWDWES, WEZ. Adam Marks, number 8's the champ. Which means I'm done at 9:50. There she is. There she is. Again, here's the official results and the winner. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.